Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to leave an alliance in Last Z Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for whatever reason you want to go ahead and leave your current alliance and even maybe join a new one. So from here, go to your home screen of Last Z Survival Shooter. Now you'll see Alliance tab on the far right, bottom right hand corner of the page. Click onto that. Then from here, we've got three tabs on the bottom. We've got Alliance Members and Manage. Go ahead and click onto Manage. And now inside the Manage tab, we've got more options and we've got a Leave tab. So go ahead and click on Leave. And then take note, the following actions will be restricted after leaving the Alliance. You cannot participate in excavation or receive excavation rewards from allies within 24 hours of joining an alliance, and you cannot participate in the Canyon Clash within 24 hours of joining an alliance again. So from here, go ahead and click on Leave, and that's going to leave your alliance. So if we click on that alliance tab again, it's going to say here where we can create, join, or quick join an alliance.